In today's video, we're digging into one of the most viral beauty products on Instagram right now. Because if you've been scrolling lately, you've definitely seen those flashy Evora Paris ads promising 70% off, 25,000 happy users, and a miracle seam straightener brush that supposedly transforms your hair instantly. But is this Evora Paris straightener actually legit or just an overhyped scam in disguise? When I started investigating this brand, the first thing that stood out was how polished the ads looked compared to how little real information exists behind the company. And that contrast alone raises questions. You'll find bold claims, dramatic before and after shots, and tons of glowing comments that appear copied, reused, or bot-generated, which immediately casts doubt on authenticity. Then comes the domain age, which is extremely new, paired with permanent limited time. Discounts that never expire and a website offering only a few repetitive beauty items, all classic red flags, seen in many short-term e-commerce operations. On top of that, dozens of fraud monitoring logs and independent review platforms show a pattern of more than 1,400 complaints, including reports of customers paying and never receiving anything, receiving a random cheap knockoff instead of a working straightener, or contacting support and getting no response, no tracking, and no refund. Multiple buyers also describe receiving a product that looks nothing like the ads or one that stops working within days with no warranty help. While I'm not saying every order will go wrong, the volume and consistency of these issues make the too good to be true pricing more concerning than exciting. And paying less upfront could easily cost you more in frustration, delays, and lost money. So before you click buy, take a moment, look past the perfect Instagram polish, and decide whether the risks match the reward for you.